Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and I just want to show you a resource that you might not know you have available to you. I'm in the information technology website, and when I click on technology discounts, you're going to see that we have downloadable software listed from on the Hub Store. But what I want to point out is that you have available Azure Dev Tools for teaching and learning. For example, you'll see that the available tools we have are Visio Project, Visual Studio, and so on. And there's really a lot more. Now, when I click in this, I've already logged in, signed in, so I should be able to go through, but you're just using your SMWC credentials when you sign in. And then once you get into it, it's going to give you an entire list of the kinds of things that are available. So a lot of them are tutorials, so you can learn with things, developers and so on. But I'm going to click on software because what I want to show you is the one piece of software I want to highlight today is Visio. So if I go down here to Visio, you'll see that we can actually download Professional 2016, 2019, and 2021. So basically, when I click on that, not only do I get to download the software, I get a key. So I put that key in, and then that software is loaded on my desktop. So let me go to show you a couple of examples. I'm in Visio Professional, I believe it's 2021, and essentially you'll see here that I've got a few things that I've been working on, and I just want you to be aware of all the things you can do with this. So I'm going to take the tour just so you can kind of see. So when we take the tour, we can see that we have basic flow charts available. We can create organization charts with pictures and connectors. We can do a detailed network diagram. We can do other kinds of diagrams. We can set up timelines. We can have cross-functional flow charts. These are referred to as swim lanes. We can have workflow diagrams, office layout. In other words, you can count the tiles in your office and actually create a pretty nice layout with office furniture. Basic network diagrams, UML class stuff, crow's foot database notation. Let me go back to that for just a minute because I was going to show you something, but I think it's in another place. But that gives you an idea of the things that you can do. And so, for example, if I wanted to do a cause and effect diagram, a fish diagram, I just create it. It has it here, but what I really like about it, it has a lot of these neat little things. Like I just pulled over what's called the fish frame, because if you remember from cause and effect, it was created by Ishikawa, so it's also sometimes called an Ishikawa diagram since he invented it. And basically these are the categories with the problem here. But you'll also see that I can do, if I go here to new, I have Six Sigma diagrams that I can use. Here you see where we have the furniture. We can have a workflow diagram, so we can brainstorming template, all those kinds of things. This can show, like if I wanted to create that specific one, it'll bring it in here. It's bringing in this customer service and so on. So basically you could flow chart lots of things. I just wanted you to be aware that you could get this software. So any business and leadership student from undergrad clear through the PhD program would be able to get this software and download it and install it. I just wanted you to be aware of it. Thanks for listening.